Whoa.
Right?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah.
Holy
Oh, wow.
wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah, wow.
I mean, it really does feel better.
Wow.
It's kind of a weird feeling.
That tingles.
This is out of this world.
That's crazy. That's weird.
That is some relief already.
That feels a lot better.
Are you experiencing any pain or discomfort today? Are you feeling any pain or discomfort at all?
My sciatic and my left elbow both give me pain.
My rotator cuff tendon is always bugging me.
Arthritis, neuropathy.
Tennis elbow, it aches all the time.
Did something weird to my neck like 2 days ago and it's still messed up.
I can't play with my grandchildren the way I used to.
I always have carpal tunnel problems. It's really affected both of my wrists.
What methods have you taken to alleviate that?
Topical lotion, creams, the roll-ons.
Pain pills.
NSAIDs.
Medication.
Physical therapy.
You know, I just try to keep active and moving.
I kind of just deal with it.
Well, try this out. It should
Okay.
start working as soon as it touches your skin.
It's sending like this like electrical pulses. Wow, man.
It's a sensation, right?
Yes, it's fantastic.
So if you're familiar with TENS therapy, this is a portable, compact version of it.
Now that is a real difference.
It's just using TENS therapy, which is all natural, has no side effects.
This is almost like instant relief.
Really?
This is just like that thing they do in my chiropractor office.
Now I can use this anywhere.
I travel a lot and I could just bring it anywhere I go.
I can just stick this in my pocket and do it myself.
And you don't need pads or gels or any of that additional equipment.
Got therapy in my pocket.
This is remarkable. I feel like I can play tennis again.
Just like that. Oh my God.
Wow, I can't believe how quick that was. I feel the difference already.
Wow. Does it work that fast?
Where was this a year ago?
You've got to try this.
Where do I get it?